All right, my friends, Brian here tonight, lurking around the garage, digging through some of the parts I'm getting ready with for the rest of the week, and come across yet another one of my 88 35th anniversary parts. I thought I had depleted that stock in some of the earlier videos I did a few weeks back, but I do have one more here. Now, if you're not familiar, you're looking at this thinking, I wonder what this thing is. This, of course, is a 35th anniversary piece. You can see that 35th anniversary logo, where if you looked back at the videos, I described how lots of things on these cars are white, and this is no exception. So this piece here is an interesting piece because it's probably one of the biggest uses of this piece, or I should say the heaviest one of these pieces in most production automobiles. Believe it or not, this is a center cap for a wheel. So Corvettes in 88 and 89 came out with the first generation of the saw blades, where it was a double row directional triangles to the side, kind of as a racy look. 17-inch rims. The 88s actually kept a 16-inch rim, base rim, with a single saw blade around the edges, which are not very common. Most of the cars got equipped with a 17-inch rim because they pushed the suspension out a little bit wider. The track on the suspensions is wider than it is 84 through 87. But these rims required a center cap that is huge. And this thing is not plastic. This is actually made out of aluminum, this entire piece. Actually, this might be steel. I'm trying to remember the composition of this. And then it actually has a emblem in the center of it. And it was big enough to where it even had a locking lug to keep it in place. So you see here it goes into the side, it inserts in the side of the rim or the top. Lug nuts are behind it, and then you screw in your lock lug to go in there, and that keeps people from actually even stealing your center cap. So these cars really, I think they may have still come with lock lugs, but they really didn't need it because you had a lock lug on this to keep the lug nuts covered. And you can instantly tell when these are missing because the centerpiece is gone, and then you can see the lug nuts are exposed. Now, in 1990, they actually went to the same design of the same basic design of the wheel, but then what they did is they integrated an opening there and made the center cap much smaller. The center cap is about as big as just the emblem is on this center cap. So this would be an 88, 89 center cap specifically for 35th anniversary cars, because as you can see, even the wheels were white on these cars. This one's in really good shape. You can see there's no damage on the back or corrosion. It's got one little spot right there that I don't think is through the paint. I may try to compound that out. The emblem is perfect on this one. It's really nice. And these are super hard to come by because what would happen is, of course, with road salt and corrosion and stuff and the similar metals, these would pretty much, the paint surface would come apart on these. So this is really nice. It's not a new one. I had actually an NOS set of new ones years ago that I sold for a ridiculous amount of money. And this is one of the ones I had left from a used car. So, if you've got a need for this one, let me know, and I can help you out with this, and we can go from there. Tomorrow I'll probably be back. Our weather in February hasn't been very conducive to me working outside, so maybe back with a few more parts to show you guys tomorrow for the personal collection here. And if not, if I get some good weather this week, I'll be showing you some stuff. I've actually bothered to take February and score some pretty good inventory pieces, some exciting stuff that I'm going to show you guys here through March. I think in March I'm going to have quite a few videos to show you guys of some of the cool stuff I've acquired. So if you have any questions or comments, you can always reach me in the comment section below, and I will try to be back tomorrow with some more good stuff for you, and I'll catch up with you guys then. Thanks for watching again.